Hello everybody and good morning this morning. I hope you all are having a great day today. So we're going to be looking at the XRP price chart. As you can see here, on a larger time frame, we had the SEC appeal, which I called with a true value price. And you can tell me, how was I able to know about the SEC appeal? And I wonder the same thing. I look at the price action and I look at the candlesticks forming, and I can see certain areas in the chart where it seems like the entire market goes to, or institutional order flows are taking place here, and something's going on with the chart here. But anyways, so you can see that price moved down to the true value price, which at the time was about 514 originally, and then so we get down to this area, and just as I suspected, so price stops, it fills that area at 514. So it's done with the true value price at 514. So we start to, rebound a little bit here. And actually this price action is looking very good, very stable. And so we put in this low right here at about 50.7, so give or take. And so we came down here. On our way up, we had clean price action. We set a relative value here at 52.4, and so it was my belief that, hey, it's possible for the price to come down to this level. But we went ahead and made this new low, which I predicted, and we came up a little bit. But as we were coming up, we set a new true value price right here at, let's see what the number is, 52.8. And so as you can see from the lines on the chart, I drew this yesterday, and it was my prediction, which came correct, that price would go a little bit higher here from where we were talking, and then come down to this area and at least get the true value price. So it ended up coming all the way down to the relative value price, and this was not a requirement for price to do this. It was just nice to see, so that I could have a little bit more confidence on the move going up. And so if we look down in here, we have some clean price action this morning. And guys, that looks really, really good. Based on the true value price, the TVP, which I set through my own personal method, you can see that price is attracted to this level, and it came down here, and it needs to fill this level for some reason. It's always done it. I'm not sure why it happens, but if it keeps happening, I'm going to report on it. So as you see here, the price came down to this level. The TVP, the blue line, the light blue line, and we are forming what looks like a base, some could say, and I would say that it's institutional order flows coming in, and there's some kind of price action taking place on this level, and it needs to fill and collect orders here. So as you can see, it came down almost perfectly where I drew this line. Okay, fine. And we actually got all the way down to the relative value price, which is not a requirement. So we bounced just barely off this level. I wasn't sure if we were going to take this out. And actually now we're looking at a fill of the true value price, the blue line, and we actually have some room upwards. I'm looking at this price action down here. This is very clean price action, and I expect this to be part of a bottom. Now, I'm not saying that it can't go a little bit lower from here, but what I am saying is that all the requirements have been met for this to be a bottom. Right now, the price is riding on true value price. And to me, that's exciting. We're getting ready for a move upwards. It's a lot of sideways action, but I can see that the unfinished business in the chart has been taken care of, and now I believe we're ready to set a bottom, maybe go a little bit lower, bounce around here, but ultimately towards the end of the week, everything that needed to be done here is done, and I believe that we will be able to move higher until we set a new true value price. As of now, the price is riding at the current true value, and this is the real price of the asset. I hope you all have a great morning, and I'll talk to you later.